All praises to Yahweh, Bahashem Yahushai, Bahashem Racha, Kwadash. I'm just doing something before we hit the streets tomorrow. I gotta work. We've been going out in Hanford, prophesying the downfall of Babylon, the great city. And this is the UFO sightings in May, this year. I mean, some of those things look like it's fake, but some of them are real, like this one. Let's take a look at this one. And you see down here, you see other ones. Turn down the music. See that? That's a real one. That's what Esau likes to call organic. There's nothing fake about it. It's there. This one on the bottom right, left. It's there, but nobody's noticing. They always do what clouds do. See, if it was that big, everybody would have noticed. Everybody would have noticed all this huge, and the traffic would have stopped, or they would turn around and something would happen. Let's keep looking. And you see how they have to zoom in and stuff. That's because they're afraid. All right. And let's look at the word tribulation. Tribulation, a cause of great trouble or suffering. Basically, problems, troubles, difficulties, misfortunes. And these chariots are going to bring misfortunes. This is a good one. This is 1 Samuel 26 and 24. And behold, as thy life was much set by this day in mine eyes, so let my life be much set by it in the eyes of the Lord Yahweh Bashem Yahushai, and let him deliver me out of all tribulation. And this day is going to be, everybody's going to stop doing what they're doing. Everybody's going to stop. And Matthew 13:21, ye hath he not rued in himself, but dureth for a while. For when tribulation or persecution ariseth because of the word, by and by he is offended. And who is offended? It's the devil, the white man, Esau, the Edomites, the elite, the people that are ruling, the ruling class in America and Europe and all the banking families. Yet hath he not root in himself, but dureth for a while. For when tribulation or persecution ariseth because of the word, by and by he is offended. So the word is going to start this tribulation off anyways. It's an echo. This is Deuteronomy 4 and 30. And I just went on the Blue Letter Bible. Type in a word that you want to search and it brings up the scriptures. Deuteronomy 4:30, when thou art in tribulation, and all these things are come upon thee, that means all the prophecies, even in the latter days, if thou turn to Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai, thy power, and shalt be obedient unto his voice. Man, but that's a hard thing to do, and there's no time to do it. Basically, there's just no time to do it. That's how you feel when you first hear the word is, I don't have enough time to get ready. When you first hear it, but you gotta make time. Because when tribulation comes, it's gonna come in the form of these chariots. You know, let's watch a little bit more. And they're just showing you footage of a still that was a picture taken in motion, and they're magnifying the zoom so you can't even see it. It's a little silver flash in the middle of the screen. You see how this guy's Jeremiah 10:2, because he's troubled. You know, that's it's not a cool thing to see unless you know what it is. Like something shoots out like that. Boom, it just went by. See, that's what a chariot is. Just imagine if all those people noticed that. What would they say? What the hell would they say? How would they react? They would bug out. This is Jeremiah 10:1. Hear ye the word which Yahweh speaketh unto you, O house of Israel. So right off the bat, this word's only for Israel. And in the confusion of faces, they're going to come in, and they're still going to be Israelites, but they're going to look like other nations. Second verse. Thus saith Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai, learn not the way of the heathen, and be not dismayed at the signs of heaven, for the heathen are dismayed at them. And that's what this something else, because I don't want to get that. I want to get a strike for showing somebody else's stuff. Good for that. And these heathens are dismayed. You know what? That's enough of that. Get some more scripture on tribulation. Because, I mean, I'm just focusing on the trouble you're going to be facing. I'm talking to you, Esau. Edom. Man, you're in trouble. This is Judges 10:14, and all you 2/3 are in trouble too. The whole nation, everybody's in trouble, except for the elect. Judges 10:14, go and cry unto the gods. Notice how gods is lowercase, because the gods that are being spoken of in this scripture are no gods, which ye have chosen let them deliver you in the time of your tribulation, so you can cry to sweet Jesus. Sweet Jesus ain't gonna do a damn thing. I mean, the idol. Sweet Jesus, when you think about Jesus, you think about what this brother's talking about right here. This is, I forget his name. Bukashia, I think. But his channel is Marai Hawashai, which is deliver us from evil, or from evil deliver us. This is who sweet Jesus is, Serapis Christus. He's not going to deliver you. Matthew 24:21. For then shall be great tribulation, such as was not since the beginning of the world to this time, no, nor ever shall be. That's, man, that sounds like your ass gonna get whooped. Everybody's in trouble. But, and this is what I'm hoping for. This is what, man, this is what anybody who reads the Bible should be hoping for. Instead of arguing that there's no Israelites now, they don't exist, or Esau's done away with, the devil ain't the white man. You should be focusing on salvation. And you can't make people get it. Salvation is preservation or deliverance from harm, ruin, or loss. Redemption, right? In the examples, they try to sell it to use as economic salvation. Oh, that's a chip. Alright, let's see. Let's get some scriptures on salvation. So the first one is Genesis 49:18. So now we know that's talking about the salvation that's going to come for Egypt. Also, our salvation, which is now in the end times, is Genesis 49:18. So the whole time the scriptures were about Yahushua. I have waited for thy salvation, O Yahweh Hashem Yahushua. Still waiting. And I'm not saying that like, oh, when you get here, I'm still waiting. What I mean is reincarnation. Okay, so we were back there. I was back there in Egypt. That's what I meant. I'm still waiting. Okay, don't get semantics on me. I have waited for that salvation, O Yahweh Hashem Yahushai, since Egypt, and I'm still waiting now in spiritual Egypt. Okay, get that straight. And that's really all I have to get. Boom, that's it. Wrap it up. With that, I'm going to say Shalom. Till next time, I say Kal Halayim Lo Yahweh Hashem Yahushai, Ba'Hashem Racha Kodash, and salutations to the possible elect. Till next time.